The Samsung Galaxy Z44 has some big shoes to fill if it's to follow on from the impressive Galaxy Z43. But there's room for improvement, with the foldable phone's formula still not yet perfected. While a trickle of rumors is now starting to flow steadily for the Z44, there's still quite a bit we don't know. So we have collected all the leaks and rumors we have heard so far, and we have weighed in with our thoughts on what the Z44 needs to improve on if Samsung wants to continue to hold on to the best foldable phones crown with its next generation. Samsung will host a Galaxy Unpacked event on August 10, which is this coming Wednesday. The online-only event will start streaming at 9 a.m. ET or 6 a.m. PT. We have got a guide on how to watch the Samsung Unpacked live stream. We're pretty sure the Galaxy Z44 will debut at that time. In addition to the Fold, we are expecting to see Galaxy Z Flip 4, Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 and Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro 2 at this event. We may see the new foldable debut with a different name though. One source is claiming the phone will be known as the Galaxy Fold 4, with the Z being removed due to its unfortunate connections with the Russian invasion of Ukraine. Samsung already did this with the Galaxy Z Fold 3 in certain countries, so it wouldn't surprise us to see it unify the name of its new foldable around the world. The Galaxy Z Fold 2 from 2020 launched at $1,200, which might suggest that after falling by $200 in 1 year, we may see a $400 drop over 2 years to $1,600 for the Z44. That would still be much more expensive than even the most fully spaced phablet style phone. But as the gap shrinks, more and more phone buyers will be tempted to go for a foldable. One Galaxy Z Fold 4 pricing possibility cited by both Korean leaker UX1122 on Korean site Naver and Woseung claims that the phone will be getting cheaper. Given that the Galaxy Z Fold 3 debuted at $1,800, that would be quite welcome news. However, the Galaxy Z Fold 4 could have a cheaper entry-level price, as Even Plus claims the company could offer a model with 128GB of onboard storage. Cutting the price of the Galaxy Z Fold 4 should certainly be a priority if Samsung wants the phone to be a more mainstream device we think. Adding 128GB alongside the 256GB and 512GB storage models that the Galaxy Z Fold 3 offered would give Samsung the option of lowering the starting price of the Galaxy Z Fold 4, and that could even pave the way for a more affordable foldable phones. Just take the term affordable with a pinch of salt, as we don't expect even a lower spec phone for under $1,000. Though a European retailer has leaked the Galaxy Z Fold 4 could get a small price hike, the Fold 4 will reportedly start at €1,864 for a model with 256GB storage, which is an increase of around $65 on the equivalent model of last year's flagship. Again, this leak should be taken with a pinch of salt, as it's just one retailer and prices can vary from place to place for all kinds of reasons, including individual markup and miscommunication. We have also heard from a Korean source that the price may not be rising or falling, but just staying the same, at least in one. Sure, we'd like a cheaper Z Fold 4 model, but we will take the same price over a higher one any day. For what it's worth, you can now reserve your place to pre-order whatever phone Samsung announces on August 10 by going to Samsung.com. You can get up to a $200 credit if you are planning on bundling your phone purchase with a Galaxy Watch and earbuds. If you are just getting the phone, Samsung is offering a $100 credit to be used on select products at its online store. If Samsung is serious about making foldables mainstream, it needs to follow the example of its own Galaxy Z Flip 3 and make the price closer of that of more conventional flagship phones. The possibility of 128GB Galaxy Z Fold 4 makes this move seems possible. The main side effect of watching content on foldable phones is that your viewing experience can sometimes be spoiled by the obvious creases on the screen. We don't expect to crease to disappear, but it would be nice to see it fade into the background a bit more, just like Galaxy Z Fold 4 rumor are tipping. By the nature of folding the main display in half, it's going to be tricky to get a foldable phone to be especially thin. However, the number one complaint of people we showed the Galaxy Z Fold 3 is that it's too thick and bulky to carry around. We'd like to see the Z Fold 4 shape a few more fractions of an inch of its total size. The Z Fold 3 starts at a disadvantage by having to power two displays, including one that's the size of a small tablet. We saw under 8 hours of battery life in our testing, and it would like to see closer to 10 hours through a combination of perhaps a larger battery and other efficiency gain.